How to enable marketplace on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can enable marketplace on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to basically enable marketplace on Facebook, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application. Now at the very top you can see marketplace. In my case the marketplace is there by default in this. Now remember that marketplace don't need to be enabled. You just have to look for the marketplace option and you can instantly begin buying or selling goods on Facebook marketplace. The only problem here is that if you don't find marketplace here and it is hidden, you can locate it by simply tapping the three lines option here. Then under the shortcuts tab you can tap on see more. Then you'll find the option called marketplace. Then you can tap on marketplace. Then you should be able to buy some goods. If you want to view your own marketplace details, you can also view your own marketplace profile. That's all it takes to enable marketplace. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.